Alright guys, on the 2018 Hyundai Tucson, in order to take out this headlamp, you're going to move this down 12 from there, those 2 10s from there, and 1 down there, okay? I said it's 2 down there. Let's take these 2 out first. Those are 10 millimeters, 10. Alright, let's take up the 12 right there. It's a 12 on top, number 12. Go ahead and slide it out. Unplug it. That's how you do that. I'm going to show you guys how to take off that fender. Show you guys how to take off that fender. Alright guys, in order to take off this fender, first thing you do, go ahead and take off this piece on top. That's after you remove the headlamp. Take that piece off. There's 3 screws up here. Number 10, there's 2 of them. 1, 2, 3. This bracket, you gotta move the bracket because there's 2 screws that is behind the bracket. Move that piece. Now move those 2 screws from there. Okay. Go on and take those screws out. Once you move the liner from here, but this one don't have a liner because of the accident. Take that piece out of there. There's 1 screw right here from the inside. The screw is on the inside. And there's 1 down here as well. So you gotta move the rocker panel molding out the way. Okay guys, to get to the screw in the bottom, you gotta move those 2 and fit it from there. Use a clip puller and loosen the clips in the bottom. Just loose the first 3. Loose the first 3 and pull out the rocker motor. There's 2 screws down there, 2 of them, number 10. Two of them. Okay? The other screw is right inside there. There's 1 screw from the inside. 1. You're going to take that black piece out of there. There's 1 screw right there. See guys? I see you do that, alright? I'll catch you guys in the next video, baby.